In this video, I'll show you how to delete or deactivate a private server in Roblox. This is a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Roblox has both free and paid private servers, and the process differs slightly depending on the type. First, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then select Inventory. In the left-hand category menu, scroll down and click Private Servers. Then select My Private Servers. Here you'll see a list of your servers, both free and paid. Deleting a free private server, click on the free server you want to deactivate. Scroll down to the private server section and click the three dots on the right. Select Configure and turn off the Allow Joining switch. This makes the server inaccessible and invalidates the current link, effectively deleting access for you and any invited players. You can reactivate it anytime. Deleting a paid private server. Click on the paid server from your list. On the server page, click the three dots and select Cancel. Confirm by clicking Yes, Cancel. You'll still have access until the next billing period, after which the server will be fully canceled. And that's it. That's how to delete or deactivate a private server in Roblox, whether it's free or paid. I hope this quick tutorial helped you today. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.